What we do go into, however, is the next step, which is turning on the UNI. You simply click once on the power button and the UNI will start up. The UNI takes approximately 30 seconds to initiate, during which period the power button flashes green. Once the button is steady green and the connection LED is turned on, the UNI-GR1 is initiated and will start broadcasting its Wi-Fi hotspot we can connect to. To open the UNI-Connect software, which controls the UNI-GR1, we first need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the UNI. We'll do that on the tablet. To connect to UNI-Connect, open the Wi-Fi settings of your tablet, select your UNI hotspot in the list, fill in the password and hit connect. Upon connection, open Google Chrome and browse to the IP address such as demonstrated in the video. We have now opened the UNI-Connect software, and at this point I would like to recommend you to make your life easier. Simply save the address as a bookmark.